hey, it's Cal. And this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion. My partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up. Give me a second. You can't see me. You didn't see that. And it's been a wild ride to get here, but that is why I am so excited to have you guys along for the journey as we are finally attempting to make our way all the way across the country and back in this new home on wheels. Boom, did it, let's go, done. Roll the clip. Before we get ready to tackle today's adventure though, I'm gonna need to catch you up real quick. I'm sure you remember the whole breaking down, getting towed to the wrong shop, moving into said diesel shop, running over our car, and how we somehow ended up getting all of that squared away and we're still able to hit the road? Huh, you remember that, right? Yeah, well listen, we had plans to attend our first ever Skoolie festival all the way in Oregon, which meant we had a big drive ahead of us and many miles to cover. We're headed all the way across the country, driving through Georgia, kittens, Tennessee, flu, oh, and beavers, Kentucky.
What state are we in?
Kentucky.
Oh my goodness.
I don't even know how we've gotten all the way over to Kentucky, but Kentucky, we're here. We've had this stop plan for a while. You're gonna want to buckle up. Oh, and maybe bring a flashlight. It's gonna be a wild ride. I don't know how we ended up in Kentucky, but we did. And I just had the best day ever because we went to Buc-ee's. We drove around. We drove around some more. We played with the kitties.
There's a cat eating my foot. What state are we in?
I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Kentucky.
All is good. And I really gotta go clean. Ah! I just almost stepped in a litter box. And I just almost stepped on a cat.
I'm gonna change your bum if Mama will get me in.
Where are we going?
The Mammoth Caves.
And where?
Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Yeah, we're gonna go look at some caves. We're gonna go spelunking.
We're gonna go what?
Spelunking.
Splunking? Are we gonna find some bears?
No, we're probably just gonna learn the difference between stalagmites and stalactites.
Are we gonna see a rock?
Yeah, we'll see some rocks. No real thoughts. Just excited to do some fun things on our way to Oregon. We're being told ready, set, go.
Puddles, moon. Oh, I love them so much. Righto.
Yeah.
I missed the sign with my camera, but I got it with the other one.
Visitor center in 4 miles. Amazing. All these RVs.
Means we can park. That's cool.
Alright friends, somehow we did it, we made it. We're at the Mammoth Caves in Kentucky. It's a national park, right?
Yes.
Mammoth Caves National Park. I'm wearing my woolly mammoth t-shirt. I'm so excited. I don't know much else. I don't know much else other than it's a cave and we're going underground. Sounds good to me. Mr. Bucky,
Yes.
you excited?
I'm very excited. I need that.
Let's go, baby.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Got a bunch of work. Hey, there's no train. We're gonna go this way, and if we see a train, we can check it out.
Guys, we made it! We're officially taking some time to explore the Mammoth Caves out in Kentucky. And we couldn't be any more excited. I'm definitely gonna have to split this footage up into a couple of parts for you guys. That way we can really enjoy these caves together. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here for today. And that means there's only one thing left for us to do. I think that's it. I think I got it all. Okay, are you guys ready for the thing? Seriously, thank you so much for watching. If you did, you can like this video, leave a comment down below letting me know if these caves are something you'd be down to check out. And lastly, if you want to help a girl out, you could totally subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure. There might even be a little button for notifications. I think it's a bell. You should just click everything. Alrighty guys, I'll see you down the road. Okay? Bye.
I know, Zephyr.